Pakistan saw a mix of economic concerns, health warnings, and regional diplomatic developments today, 14th March, as authorities monitored the impact of global tensions and addressed domestic challenges. One of the key developments today came from Pakistan's fuel sector. Petroleum dealers warned that they could halt the sale of petrol and diesel after Eid-ul-Fitr if the government does not revise dealer margins. Representatives of the Petroleum Dealers Association say current margins are no longer sustainable due to rising operational costs and inflation. They have asked the government to increase margins to ensure fuel stations remain financially viable. Officials say negotiations are ongoing to prevent a nationwide strike that could disrupt fuel supplies across the country. The warning comes at a time when Pakistan is already facing uncertainty in global energy markets. Analysts say the ongoing Middle East conflict has created volatility in oil prices and shipping routes, raising concerns about potential pressure on Pakistan's energy import bill. The situation is being closely monitored by economic planners who are assessing the possible impact on inflation and fuel pricing policies. Meanwhile, concerns have also emerged in Pakistan's public health sector. Medical experts and healthcare organizations have raised alarms about a shortage of pediatric tuberculosis medicines, warning that treatment for children suffering from the disease could be affected if supplies are not restored quickly. Health professionals say the shortage highlights weaknesses in supply chains for essential medicines and are urging authorities to take immediate steps to ensure uninterrupted treatment for vulnerable patients. Pakistan continues to face one of the highest tuberculosis burdens in the world, making the availability of pediatric medicines particularly critical for disease control and prevention efforts. Officials say the government remains engaged with regional partners as tensions continue across the Middle East. Diplomatic channels are being used to monitor the safety of Pakistani nationals working and studying in Gulf countries, where millions of Pakistani workers contribute significantly to the country's remittance inflows. Economic analysts warn that prolonged instability in the Middle East could eventually affect labor markets and economic conditions in Gulf countries, potentially impacting remittances that form a major pillar of Pakistan's foreign exchange earnings. Meanwhile, discussions around Pakistan's economic stability also continued in policy circles. Financial experts say the government's ongoing efforts to stabilize revenue collection and manage imports remain crucial as the country navigates a fragile economic recovery. Rising geopolitical tensions, particularly those affecting global energy markets, could complicate Pakistan's economic outlook in the coming months.